This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Judy Brooks. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a dedicated office/den. This home offers an eat-in kitchen, a spacious great room with a gas log fireplace, a laundry room, and a 4-season room with access to the deck. Luxury plank laminate flooring is featured throughout, with tile flooring in the bathrooms. The interior has been newly painted, including the sunroom. Additional highlights include a central vacuum system, a garage with a workshop area and a newer door mechanism, approximately 2 years old, wood fencing in the backyard, and corner, level lots 51 and 52 merged, totaling approximately 0.52 acres. New landscaping too. Come and see for yourself. For more information.